to unpacking of the Lenovo K5 Note. Just now I bought it from the Flipkart. As you can see, the packing is very good. They have given a toll-free number. If you have any problem, you can call them regarding the phone. If you have any issue also, they'll really assist you. It's a very good company. As you can see, it has 13 megapixel camera, 3 GB ROM, 32 GB 3 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, and with LED flash and 35 mAh battery is there, and this fixed battery, you can't remove this battery. This Lenovo K5 Vibe, you can see clearly it's Note K5. I'll open it. This is a separate seal from the Lenovo. This is broken, don't accept the phone, return it back to the Flipkart, because this means they have used earlier, or it might be refurbished phone. It's really awesome look phone, you can see. It's come with a back cover, a screen guard with a back cover is also there in this. Now I'll turn it on. It's a Dolby sound also. As like I can tell you, in this phone there's two hybrid SIM slot. In this SIM you can use either two SIM or one SIM and one memory card. there is no separate option for the memory card. आप अलग से मेमोरी कार्ड यूज़ नहीं कर सकते इसमें, मतलब अगर आपको चाहिए तो एक मेमोरी कार्ड यूज़ कर सकते हो और एक सिम कार्ड यूज़ करके एक सिम या दो सिम कार्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. मतलब ऐसा ऑप्शन नहीं है कि आप दो सिम कार्ड और एक मेमोरी कार्ड यूज़ करें. अगर आप वैसा फ़ोन चाहते हैं ड्यूअल सिम कार्ड अलॉन्ग विथ memory card, so I'll suggest you to go for the K4 Note. That's far better than this. That option is better. But in this I have a selfie camera of 8 megapixel. Here you can see this camera is 13 megapixel, and I'll select here next. I have a Wi-Fi. I'll connect it later. Skip anyway. Skip anyway. Next. Skip anyway. Accept. No. Next. Start. Now the look of the phone, you can see, is very awesome. It comes with a Lenovo own vibe. I think so. It's not very much clear, so I'll remove it off. I'll remove this so that you can get a clear look of the screen. This is the own Lenovo vibe, own software. That is known as Lenovo Vibe software that is own different look. As I'll show you the camera. How is this camera? I'll take a pic and I'll show you again. as I've taken a pic, and the pic is quite good. It's not getting blurred when you over stress the images. You can see this is 13 megapixel camera of the Lenovo. As I'll show you this about go to our phone, and there you can see it's 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. It's 1.8 gigahertz octa core processor is there in this, and Android version 6 is there in this. You can see it's Marshmallow. Apart from this, you can see here is the touch sensor of the this phone. टच सेंसर भी इसमें लगा हुआ है, जो कि मैं आपको इसका यूज़ दिखाऊंगा लेटर ऑन. सो बहुत सारे इनबिल्ट ऐप हैं that is known as bloatware apps. You can remove those bloatware apps by going settings. This is very important. You should remove all those bloatware apps. You should not leave bloatware apps because they'll be consuming your RAMs. See, like I won't be using this Google Drive, force stop, disable. You can't completely remove this. If you want to remove this completely, you need to root the phone. See, Flipkart app is there that I won't be using. I bought it, but I'll uninstall. I'll bought this phone from Flipkart itself, but I won't. I don't want to use Flipkart from the phone. I have laptop. I'll be using from the laptop, and so many bloatware apps. You can remove all those bloatware apps. I won't be taking much time. Rest of the things of this phone is quite good. Touch is quite good. You can see the touch. Okay, thanks a lot, dude. I'll be updating next. Keep subscribing me for getting a next update. If you have any query, any question, I'll update you next time. If you have any query, you can put comment. I'll tell you. Thank you.